Lucky Sister Slots. It's your girl Jenny and Carla behind the camera over there.
Hello.
We're getting ready to play Lightning Cash, 10-cent denomination, $5 per spin. We chose this one. Normally we choose the highest major, which this one is actually pretty high compared to the others, but we're kind of feeling this Vegas theme right now. So let's see how it goes. We're going to do 20 spins. Wish us luck. Right, ready, Carla?
No, not ready.
Okay. Tell me when.
All right, can you see?
I can see, yeah.
Okay.
10-cent denom. We got 100 in. We're betting $5.
Let's go.
Ready?
Get it.
Let's
20
go.
spins. Get it, get it, get it. We need 6 of the chips with
2.
numerical values on them,
Or 3 of those cases.
Briefcases to get a bonus.
Ooh.
And something's the wild. Which one's the wild? Oh, the
The
Las
Vegas is the wild. Come on. 7.
What spin is that?
That was spin number 8. Yeah.
Okay.
Went by fast. 9. Come on. So that mini is $100.
Choose that.
There we go. Wow. What'd that give us? A little free spin. Spin number 13. 2 more. Ah. Come on. Kings. Couple kings. Something's happening over there. Spin number 17.
16.
Oh,
No,
16.
no. Let's call it 16.
Okay, this is spin number 17. We got these all the way across. 18.
Wow. 19.
Last spin.
All right, so we're going to cash that ticket out, and I'm going to challenge you, Jenny. I'm going to make you go right next door to this one over here.
Okay, which is normally what we would do, right?
So, yep, let's cash it out.
All right.
I'm going to come over here.
Okay.
I'm going to go for this one.
Shocked myself. Okay, this one has the highest major in the land. So normally we would pick this one, right, Carla?
Normally.
Normally this is what we would pick. So, okay. So what are we doing?
I think we're doing the same bet, but we're putting in $100 in 20 spins. Let me count because
Okay, you count.
I don't know. I don't know about your counting. So we
Okay.
came from that one
Yeah.
to this one. We want that.
We need 6 of these or
Yep.
3 of these guys.
Yep. Let's
Ready?
do it.
Ready, Carla?
Let's do it.
Let's go.
I think the mermaid is wild on this one too.
Oh yeah. Oh, there she is.
Yep.
Ooh, she made an appearance. Good for her.
That's one.
Woo! What? We just got
That's
$35.
$35. Yep. There she is again.
Hey.
Thanks.
Okay. Come on. I want
Come
to
on,
see
that
him.
dolphin.
I like the dolphin. Come on.
One off.
Come on, dolphin. Let's go, dolphin.
I'm gonna call this one spin 10.
Okay.
You just finished.
Oh,
Come on, we need those. Wow, nothing there.
come on.
Come on. 3 more. 16. Boy.
2 more. Whoa!
Almost.
Last spin.
No, I call this one 18.
Okay.
Sorry. 19. It's probably over. But
Oh,
one more. Last spin.
come on.
Ah. You know what? Just keep going. Let's
Okay.
do another 5 spin.
Okay. Come
Come on,
on.
hit something.
Oh. Come on.
4.
Oh, off by
One off.
1. Shoot. There it is.
4. This is 5.
Come on.
All right, so we will almost call ourselves losers, but we're going to cash out that ticket.
Yes, ma'am.
So we've got a total of $37.90. Plus we were down on the other, but we lost about 140 today, guys. Okay.